So check it out. Let's just get to it. I'm going to make a new layer. We'll call it lines. And I'm just going to use a standard brush to start. And I have on the opacity and the line thickness pressure sensitivity, because that's when I seem to experience this stuff. Oops. So first, I'm going to turn this back on so you can see what I'm talking about. I think that's default large. So look at that. Look at those random straight lines. See that? It's so annoying. And sometimes I just get continuously straight lines where the only solution that I found prior to was either zooming in and zooming back into whatever, zoom I was working in, or vice versa. But simple solution, and I would give credit to the person if I could, but I found it on some random forum and I have no idea even where that is. Just turn it off. Turn off the tip double click distance. It will solve all of your problems. Look at this. No more straight lines. No more. I'll even zoom in because I've had more issues zoom sometimes. No more. No more. Boom. That's it, guys. And to get to that setting, just go under your Wacom tablet properties, Photoshop, or whatever application you're working with, pen, and turn off the tip double click distance. That's it. Oh, and don't judge this art. It's not finished. It's a work in progress. Thanks, guys.